Oh, it is bright. It's got like thousands of little cotton balls around it moving, and it's so bright when it goes through the clouds. It's got that red ring around it. I mean, that is bright. Can't really see it go through the camera on this raggedy phone. Wonder if this clean off the lens. Yeah, well, a little bit. How awesome is that? It's one bright full moon. Going to be red here in an hour, so I wish I could stay up and watch it. That is awesome. Look at that big old red ring around it. Alright, God, do something supernatural tonight. For the whole world to see. Oh yeah, breaking through. That is so cool. You almost get dizzy looking up at everything. Seeing the clouds move at one big pattern. Looks like the sand at the beach, where it's got all those waves, ripples in the sand. That's just what it looks like, with a very bright light sticking through it.